In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write an essay in 15 minutes or less. And today's essay topic is unbiased reporting possible? All right, let's do it. Okay, in step one, I need to take a stand. So what does that mean? I need to answer the question, is unbiased reporting possible or not? So what is my opinion? My opinion is no, it is not. Therefore, I'm just going to write unbiased reporting.
I'm going to go right here. Unbiased reporting is not possible or impossible. Now,
my second step is I need 3 reasons why I believe so. Unbiased reporting is impossible for 3 reasons.
Reason 1, it is because of the reporter's personal beliefs. Secondly, it is because of because of the beliefs of the group the reporter belongs to. And it is also impossible because any reporting is distortion just by its nature.
These are my 3 reasons. My next step, step 3, is I'm going to put together the complete thesis statement. So let me just put it together like this.
Unbiased reporting is impossible. I will say first, reporters' personal beliefs always color the truth. Second, truth is also, or the story, we can say colored, that's okay, let's say it twice, no problem. Truth is also colored by groupthink. Let's put it this way, groupthink, there we go. And finally, any reporting always distorts the truth.
Okay, and we're just going to make a case for this. Step 4, let's write the body of the essay, and let's do it.
Truth cannot escape people's personal perceptions. This means that 2 different people can see the same thing in 2 very different ways. You see, this is an explanation.
This is my main point in the paragraph, which is my lead sentence. The second one is the explanation. And now, for example,
an old parable of 2 people watching a bypasser early in the morning tells it all. One of the observers states that this man must be coming home late from a night of hard work. But his companion states that the man must have stolen something and is using this time of day to be a thief. You see? Thus, the reporter cannot escape his own filter of reality when retelling the story or the events.
There we go. Next, truth is also colored by groupthink.
Reporters cannot by the same token avoid ideas that float around in society and media. What happens in society it affects the way people perceive situations. Exactly, it's not affects the way people perceive situations. For example, people who live in a country where the food is scarce have a much less critical view of gaining weight than people in an affluent society.
We can give examples.
When a friend of mine happens to be overweight, moved to a developing country in Asia, he no longer felt the pressure to lose weight because he did not face as much, I would say, or at all. He did not face any shaming or body image issues. Thus, reporting on weight issues must be very different in that country. There we go, you see?
Next, we're writing our 3rd body paragraph, and let's do it. What is our 3rd point? Reporting always distorts the truth.
One thing that a journalist learns in college is that reporting must always distort reality. It cannot be otherwise. Even the camera, when pointed in one direction, does not really capture reality capture the entire reality, but it only takes in a part of that reality that fits in the scope of its lens. There we go. The only way to perceive the truth as it is to witness it personally. If it is conveyed by a person, a paper, or on TV, it is an interpretation of reality, not reality itself. There we go.
Kind of philosophical, but no big deal. Why not? Finally, how many words do we have here? The word count now is 312. So I only need a very short conclusion.
In one sense, I'll say to conclude, the reported truth is always distorted, either by the reporter or just by the act of reporting itself.
If you want to learn how to write essays like this, definitely check out this playlist right here. The playlist is short and sweet. The videos are short and sweet as well. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.